Hi, welcome to this video of the DeFi Saver tutorial series. This is going to be a really exciting tutorial because we're going to be going through how to open a borrow position and then seamlessly transfer it to another protocol using the loan shifter feature. For this demonstration, we're going to start with MakerDAO. When you first access Maker through DeFi Saver, you'll be prompted to create a CDP or a collateralized debt position. We're going to create a position with 10 Ether as collateral and borrow 12,000 DAI. So I'm going to be inputting 10 Ether and a debt of 12,000. Now, as you adjust these values, you can notice how the safety ratio changes in real time. Now, along with this important metric, you'll also see other ones such as the liquidation price and liquidation ratio. You also have the option of choosing which Maker vault you want to use and even opening a leveraged position, but we're just going to stick to creating a simple CDP here. So once everything checks out, we can go ahead and click on Create. Now, opening a position on DeFi Saver requires you to have a smart wallet, and if you don't have one, our interface is going to provide you with the option to create one. But if you already have one, you can just connect it to DeFi Saver and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on Accept here. So we're now going to see a pop-up for creating the CDP, and before accepting, we can even adjust the gas settings if we want to. But let's just go ahead and click Accept. Now that we've opened the position, you're going to see a pop-up window here that mentions automations. These are extremely powerful tools that we won't cover in this video, but we do have a dedicated automations video. If this sounds interesting to you, I would definitely recommend checking it out. Perfect. So now the position is active, and on our main dashboard on the portfolio page, we're going to actually see this Maker position. We're going to find it listed along with our other DeFi assets. Now comes the exciting part. Let's move our loan between protocols. To access the loan shifter feature, you would navigate to the sidebar and then click on the loan shifter option from there. This brings up the loan shifter interface, which is going to ask you to specify which position you want to move and to which destination protocol. So for this example, we're going to choose our Maker CDP and let's transfer it to the Spark protocol. By default, the loan shifter maintains the same collateral and debt ratio when moving between protocols. This is typically the safest approach, but you can also adjust these parameters based on your strategy and risk assessment. Another powerful aspect of loan shifter is that you can actually even shift your collateral or debt assets. So for example, outside of just shifting the protocol, I can also shift the collateral asset or even the debt asset. So if you're not necessarily looking to switch protocols, but just shift your collateral or debt to another asset, you can do that through Loan Shifter. Now for this demonstration, we'll keep the position as is and simply shift the protocols. Down here, you're going to be able to see how the details of your position change as you shift the protocols. So once everything's configured and it's good to go, you can click on the Shift button. If you want, you can even customize the gas settings before you submit the transaction. Let's leave this as is and accept it. And that's it. Your position has now been successfully migrated from MakerDAO to the Spark protocol. To verify the transfer, we can navigate back to our main dashboard. We can do this by simply clicking on the portfolio button. The position previously listed under MakerDAO now appears under Spark with the same collateral and debt values that we selected. An important thing to mention is that you can shift both the collateral and debt asset at the same time using Loan Shifter. Thanks for watching this tutorial on using the Loan Shifter feature in DeFi Saver. This powerful tool allows you to optimize your DeFi strategy by moving positions between protocols without having to manually close and open them. Additionally, it also lets you shift your collateral or debt assets. If you want to learn more about DeFi Saver's tools, you can view all the videos in our features section or visit our YouTube channel. To stay on top of all future feature releases by DeFi Saver, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.